Hello everybody. Welcome back to online class once again. So today we will learn about the sound of Y. Okay? So here comes the picture of Y. This is capital Y, right? Now please have a look at this picture carefully. This is small y in cursive. Okay, this is small y in cursive. Now, what about the sound of y? The sound of y is y. Y. Yes, everybody repeat after me. Y. Y. Very good. The sound of Y is Y. Now let's see some pictures. This is a flower, rose flower. Very good. And this is the picture of a butterfly. Very good. This is a shoe. Okay, and the next picture is, who can tell me? Yes, this is a car. Now, did you notice, students, that the flower, the butterfly, the shoes and the car are all yellow in color, isn't it? All of them have the same color. So this yellow color spelling starts with Y. Yellow. Okay. Now this we all know. This is an egg. Eggs have two portions. One outer portion and one inner portion. The inner portion is yellow in color, right? Like this. This portion is called yolk, egg yolk. Okay, so this yolk starts with Y. Yolk. Okay, now the next picture. Can you tell me what is this? This looks like a ship, right? Small ships are called yacht. What are they called? They are called yacht. Okay. So this yacht starts with Y. Yacht. Now, can you see this woman is opening her mouth widely. What is she doing? Can you guess? What is this child is doing? This baby is also doing the same thing. When we feel very sleepy, we yawn like this, right? So, when we feel sleepy, we yawn. We open our mouth and cover it with our hands. So this yawn spelling starts with Y. Okay? Yawn. Now the next picture. This is a yo-yo. We play with this and it makes nice pastime for every children. Okay? So, do you have a yo-yo with you, students? Okay, so this yo-yo starts with Y. Yo-yo. Now, let's do a quick recap. The sound of Y is Y. Yellow. Yolk. Yacht. Yawn. And the last thing, yo-yo. Very good. So students, please keep practicing all the phonic sounds very nicely at home. Okay? See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.